Welcome to our power supply showdown. Today we're comparing two popular options, the Thermaltake Smart 700W and the Segotep 650W. Both power supplies are designed to meet the needs of gamers and PC builders, but they have distinct features that set them apart. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to efficiency, the Segotep 650W stands out with its 80+ gold certification, ensuring higher energy efficiency compared to the Thermaltake Smart 700W, which only has an 80+ white certification. This means that while both units are designed to deliver reliable power, the Segotep will save you more on energy costs over time, making it a better choice for environmentally conscious users. In terms of wattage, the Thermaltake Smart 700W offers a higher output at 700 watts, making it suitable for more demanding systems. On the other hand, the Segotep 650W, while slightly lower in wattage, is still capable of powering most gaming rigs efficiently. If you're building a high-performance PC that requires more power, the Thermaltake might be the better option. The Segotep 650W also comes with advanced features such as a single 12-volt rail for stable power delivery and global voltage adaptation, which makes it versatile for different regions. In contrast, the Thermaltake Smart 700W, while reliable, lacks some of these advanced features. This could be a deciding factor for users looking for a more robust power supply solution. In conclusion, both the Thermaltake Smart 700W and Segotep 650W have their strengths. If you're looking for higher wattage and a budget-friendly option, the Thermaltake is a solid choice. However, for those prioritizing efficiency and advanced features, the Segotep 650W is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons.